Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Crafter long wheelbase Trendline. This vehicle comes fitted with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 177 PS. The vehicle also comes with a DSG automatic gearbox. This example is finished in the solid paint colour candy white, and across the front of the vehicle it features front parking sensors set into the front bumper. Down below, the vehicle sits on the 16-inch steel wheels, as well as coming with a full-size steel spare wheel. To the rear of the vehicle comes with rear loading barn doors with the 270-degree hinges, as well as coming with a set of rear parking sensors. Taking a look into the load area, it comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with a heavy duty wooden floor along with multiple lashing points. Access to the load area can be accessed through the single sliding door on the passenger side of the vehicle. There is also a full steel black bulkhead, allowing a separation from the load area from the cab. Up front in the driver's cab there is an ergo comfort seat for the driver, coming with 2 armrests and finished in the Austin cloth fabric upholstery. This allows for maximum comfort on those longer journeys. The rest of the cab comes with plenty of space for 2 passengers with a twin-seater bench. The van also comes with a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system, as well as having 2 front heated seats and climatic air conditioning. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.